What's up guys, it's your girl Hannah back with another video. So today I'm coming at you with a big fall try on clothing haul. So I'm excited. I got a lot of things in the mail to show you guys. And yeah, this is pretty much everything I ordered in that video, Come Online Shopping With Me. Yeah, I spent probably about $500 total. So yeah, I got a good chunk of clothing sitting right here on the counter next to me, and I'm about to pick through them and show you guys what I got. I don't want to bore you too much, so I'm gonna try to go fast. This is from 4 different stores. I don't know why I'm using both hands. 4 different stores. Let's just get into this. So I sorted it out by store. So first we're gonna just go through the things that I got from DollsKill. First off, I'm wearing one of my DollsKill items. And I'm gonna tell you guys the price, because I think that is always nice to know. Also, it gives me a chance to self-reflect, you know. Was it worth it? Okay, so this was actually on sale and I got this for $15. It used to be $25, but I got it for $15. It's super cute how it has the little frilliness on the sleeves and on the bottom. I really like it. It was only $15, so I approve of this. I got this beanie, and it's not really like quite beanie weather yet here where I live, but you know what it is. This is like the perfect. I like all beanies with pom-poms, so I think this would also be really cute if I cut my hair, which I'm thinking about doing still. But okay, how much was this? This was only $12, so yeah, I feel like that's pretty reasonable priced. You can also fold this up and it doesn't look weird. And then I also got this really like edgy, I don't know, sassy crop t-shirt with this boyfriends make nice pets on it. Abel doesn't like it, but and it's really cozy. It's really soft and stretchy. And let's see how much I spent on this. But I really like the font. Okay, this was $22. That might be a little expensive for this, honestly, if you ask me, but hey, it's done. And then I also got this from DollsKill. This is a black crop top, and it has 3 buttons that button down. Oh wait, no, it's 4 buttons actually. But then it does come to a seam right here, so it doesn't come completely apart, which I honestly kind of like that. It's really very, very cropped, so I can only wear this with certain things. That was $18, so I feel like that's a pretty solid price for that. Okay, and then I also got this dress, and this is like a girly thing. I don't know, I kind of like stepped a little bit out of my comfort zone with this, and honestly, it is a little too tight, like around like the bust area. Like I physically can't wear a bra with this. Like I tried and it just like totally flattened it out. Like there's like a type of like material that is kind of like covering the boob area. Kind of just like flattened out my boobs even when I don't wear a bra. Okay, this is literally the worst dress ever and I totally regret buying it. My boobs can't breathe and they're being like smushed down. Do you see that? Like this fabric is so cheap too and thin. And I tried to like cut like a little slit in it so maybe it would like loosen up, and I didn't realize that like it's literally see-through otherwise. Do not buy this dress. I'm giving a bad review. I thought maybe I could make it work, but that was just a total mistake. I can just see some of my skin. My nipple is not showing, if you're wondering. Plus it just looks bad. Like in the picture the model is going like this, and she made it like flare out more somehow, but like it doesn't flare out really on me at all. And then the last thing I got from DollsKill is a pair of shoes. So I got these boots. I've actually worn these several times since they have come in. The DollsKill package was the first package to come in. I just started wearing these right off the bat. They don't make my feet look big and they're not heavy. Like I was kind of worried about those 2 things. Okay, these were $45. There's a zipper right here, which I love because then I never have to mess with these laces. But yeah, I really like them with like a lot of outfits that I put on, and they're just put a little edgy vibe on whatever I'm wearing. But I like it. I like it. It's always good to have a nice pair of boots for the fall, you know? Actually, that was the rest of DollsKill. So the next clothing item is a pair of pants that I got from TheSafetyPins, and TheSafetyPins is actually a really cool clothing line that stands up for mental illness and mental health awareness, and all of the clothing benefits mental health organizations. So yeah, a portion of the profits from this clothing line benefits mental health, so I thought that was really cool. I thought they were super cute, but they're a pair of black Wrangler jeans and they say honey on the back. I think that is absolutely adorable. adorable. But yeah, I really liked the whole message of the clothing line, and the girl who runs the business is so sweet and so creative with what she does with the clothes. And yeah, she just really wants to do something to break the stigma of mental illness, because there tends to be this stigma around mental illness where people don't really want to talk about it. The TheSafetyPins website and the TheSafetyPins Instagram both also serve as a platform where people can come and talk about their own mental illness issues and kind of their story with mental illness, a place where you can come and feel safe to share your story. I really support the concept of wanting to end the stigma around talking about mental illness. But yeah, so check out the TheSafetyPins, and if you guys want a direct link to the TheSafetyPins, I will have that in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Okay, things from Princess Polly is next. First, I got this one piece. I just love the color tones. It kind of reminded me of Halloween. I also really like what's on it in general too. So this is a one piece with like stars. Back is like a low back with like a crisscross tie. Oh, I need to pull up the price for that. Okay, so Princess Polly is the more pricier place that I went, but that was $36. Okay, and then I got this sweater that is kind of like cinched down the middle, and then has this, and I wore this in my last video with Abel. Received the Princess Polly package right before we filmed that video, and I was like, I couldn't resist. I really like this top. It's super cute and stretchy. How much did she spend on it though? And that was $29, so. And then I got this beautiful soft knit sweater. Okay, this is actually probably my favorite thing that I got. I've worn this already and I really like it. It's so cozy and soft. Wow, okay, that sweater was $50. I actually also got the pants that I'm wearing at Princess Polly, and then that was it, but I'll show you guys that in the try on part. I don't want to stand up and show you guys that on camera, but and these pants were actually, I really like these pants though. Like, I loved these as soon as I saw them, and I knew that I could wear them with anything. So the pants were $57. So those were the most expensive thing that I bought at Princess Polly, and they're very like long enough, you know, they're not like too short, which I was scared that they were gonna be too short, because that's just the worst when you get flare pants and then they don't come down to the end of your leg, and so they're just like, oh, so bad. So next we have Romwe. I got this top. I kind of just got this on a whim and I really like it, honestly. Okay, so I accidentally bought 2 of these. You know, giveaway time. Comment down below if anyone really wants it. But yeah, I have another one of these and it's still like in its plastic package and everything. Well, at least it was only $6.99. Okay. And then the next thing that I got there, these high, like, over the knee socks. Well, it says that they're over the knee socks, but they were $2.99. Are they over the knee socks though? They do go over the knee. Alright, well that's a $2.99 I don't regret spending. I also got a pair of fishnet tights from DollsKill. Those are nice. And I also got this right here. Well, I mean, zipper back though. This looks a lot more red in person than it did online. Like, I thought it was like gonna be like a maroon color, but this is straight up ruby red, bitch. This was $10. Not bad, not bad. And then I got this bralette thing, which I didn't even know that this was push-up, but I really wish that it wasn't. It just says racer back plain bralette. It was $5.99, but like there's padding in here that is just so hard and it kind of annoys me. But I also do really like that this is kind of like this, and it doesn't go all the way right here, and it's not really tight on the armpit area, you know, which is the worst. But it's like makes my boob like hard as rock on the outside. And also I don't need the push-up part, like. Okay, and then I got these really fun pants. I actually really like these. These are just like some sporty, wait, oh, we're going into Shein now, actually. Folks, get ready, get ready. So I got these pants for 20 bucks. They're really nice. They have pockets, and I love my pockets. I don't know, I really like them, but just like for whenever I'm feeling kind of lazy, so I pick the sporty look. You know? But yeah, only 20 bucks, so. And then I also got this twisty little red crop top thing, and I did wear this the other night. Okay, wow, this was only $8. I'm so happy about that. That was great deal. Okay, and then I got this top. This is literally just like the top that was like 29 bucks at Princess Polly. This was literally $9, but this is so much like the green one, only with bell sleeve. But yeah, I really liked the color. Okay, and then I also got this black long sleeve top, and it kind of has like a fancy look, so it has a really high neck. And then it has this kind of wider sleeve. I don't know how to put this, but okay, it's called a lantern sleeve crop top. Okay, and this was only $11. So, and the last two things are just some cute fun little t-shirts I got. This is literally just a black crop top with rainbow sleeves. I'm not really sure why I like impulsively decided to get this and add it into my cart, but I'm kind of glad I did. I like it. I like it. And then I got this, I know, for spooky season, and it's actually a really comfy top. It is two skull dudes like doing the hear no evil, see no evil. Yeah, that's basically it to this haul, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and the bell button if you want to, I don't know, see more of me. Oh, I also forgot to mention that the earrings I'm wearing, these gold hoops, are from Princess Polly. Also, in the comments, let me know any video requests you have for me to do or anything you would want to see from me. And yeah, guys, until next time, I love you so, so much, and I hope you have an amazing night or day. Bye, guys.